Margaret from Heidi and Lana. Today I'm going to show you how to do jogless stripes in the round. So if you're carrying your yarn up, instead of cutting it after each stripe, you're going to want to lay the color that you just finished knitting with. So I just finished a cream stripe over to the left over top of the new color that you're going to pick up for the next stripe. And then you're going to knit one full round with the new color. And you're going to do this each time you change colors. You'll knit one full round with the new color. And then comes the technique that prevents the jog in the stripes. So after knitting one full round, before you knit the first stitch of round 2, you're going to pick up the stitch directly below the stitch that's on your needle. It's going to be a stitch in the old color, the previous stripe, just the right leg. So I'm just picking up the right leg of that V right here. And you're going to pick that up and put it on the left needle, and then you're simply going to knit that together with the first stitch. And that's all you do for jogless stripes in the round. It creates really nice, neat stripes. Thanks so much for watching. You can find me on Ravelry, Instagram, and Facebook, all under Heidi and Lana.